Hey guys, it is Monday. It is 12:10. I need to be leaving in like the next 5 minutes. I've gotten ready for work. I went to the gym this morning, so I'm trying to get in the better habit of waking up earlier, going to the gym before work, especially on days like today when I close, because otherwise I'm not going to the gym at 11 o'clock when I've worked for 9 hours. That's just, for me, a little unrealistic, at least at this point. So I'm taking tomatoes, mozzarella, I've got hummus and Italian dressing, and then pita chips. I don't have any Ziploc bags, so I'm just taking the whole bag. And then I've got my teamy to take. So I'm staying kind of healthy and trying to eat more like real stuff, like less processed things. So I hope you guys are having a great week so far, and I will probably check in with you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Tuesday and it's tuna time. So let's go see the cats. You guys ready? Yeah? Yeah, you ready? Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. Yes, it's warm. My clouter. My clouter. Yeah. You getting it all ready? Yeah. I know, I took your food away. That's because we got something better. Don't be mean to each other. Everyone will get their tuna. Yeah. You ready? How do you feel about this tuna? Yeah? Yeah? You happy about it? Mimi? Yeah? Happy about it? Tina, no butt sniffing.
This is not a gift tray, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
That's Tina's?
That's Sniffles, actually.
Okay. So Sniffies. You got, okay. Sniffles.
You're doing it.
Yeah. Minnows. Miss Sally. No. You got your own bowl, bitch. Get over there. There we go. Got Sally. Miss Sniffies. Miss Aminas. Tina, Sally, your own bowl, please. Hey guys, so I'm currently filming my giveaway. It's still Tuesday. We just gave the cats their tuna, which you saw. And I'm filming all of the giveaway items. They are here. So I've got like 3 different prizes, and I've got a bunch of samples that I'm just gonna like put some with the major prizes. So that's a little peek at that. I also got this from Benefit, so it was like a little box. There's literal like stars everywhere. I don't think I'm gonna even open it because it's, I don't know, they just put like stars on everything. And all it was you pull this out, it pops up, and it's a Bad Gal Bang mascara. So I wanted to show you guys that. It's not with my regular Gratis, so that is a little bit different. Excited to try that out though. You'll definitely see that giveaway before this vlog, but it was doing something super weird today. Like YouTube, for whatever reason, was acting super strange. Like I would check it and it would say like a certain thing, a certain number, check it a little while later, or like go to do something to go to my like homepage, and it would be different information. So I had like 7,000 and like 9 or 10 subscribers, and I was like, oh cool, that's awesome. I could definitely put my giveaway up. And then it dropped down by like 10, so it dropped to like just under 7,000 like all of a sudden. So I was like, what is going on? So I'm not sure what's accurate at this point, because that's a pretty major drop for just like the span of an hour or two. At any rate, if I'm still at 7,000 tomorrow, then I am putting this giveaway up. So you will hopefully have already seen this. So make sure to enter if you haven't already, especially you guys who watch my vlogs, because I know that you guys are my most dedicated friends here on YouTube. So definitely want you guys to have an opportunity. And there are 3 winners, so that's really exciting. So definitely check out the link below. I will link it so that you guys can go enter. And I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm about to take a bath, but I wanted to show you the Dr. Jart rubber mask. This is the hydration lover. So I'm about to put that on. I actually get this one in an ampule like this. So I've got my little brush to put it on with. And then the mask just kind of sits over top. So I've got my ears on. So you definitely have more than enough because I've already dropped a couple blobs on the floor. It's definitely a weird consistent. Let's see. We've got the top piece. Ooh. This is also wet too, like damp. So that's our rubber mask. Already put in some bath salts, so now we're gonna drop this bath bomb. I got this one from Christmas. I think my mom gave it to me. I'm not sure where it came from. Let's go. All right guys, I'll talk to you tomorrow.
I had to start vlogging again because it's lighting up. What the deuce is this? Oh my god, I'm scared to drop my camera. How crazy is that? What? Let's find out what it is. It must be water activated. That's so crazy. We have a bubble bath nightlight.
Hey guys, I just got home. It is Thursday. I worked 8 to 4. Excuse my lip, it's kind of worn off. This is one of the Ciate glitter flips, one of the new shades. I can't remember which one this is, but it's like the corally looking one. I just put it on because we just put them out today. I just went to Walmart. I hate going to Walmart, little known fact. Oh, I just don't like going there. I love me some Target. I feel like, I don't know. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. It's nothing crazy. So I got some, I got some dinner, some natural turkey dogs, and I got my creamer. This is a ridiculous size, but this is like the creamer I use all the time. I probably drink too much of this, and I know it's not the best for you, but I just love it, especially with my decaf at night. So I got those. That's my cold bag, which I need to put away. I also got these wheat buns. So they're 100% whole wheat to go with that. Eating something simple tonight. I also got some goodies for some girls at work. Oh, I got this bag for Zach. Zach, if you're watching, look away. It says, let's avocado. It's so cute. For something for Valentine's Day, I think I'm gonna, well, I won't say, but I need to get him a couple more things. I got this little, okay, so this little pillow, and this for one of my girls who works in skin. I got her those, and then I got like treats for the other two. There's 3 girls. I got them treats, and she'll know why, but I got her, I won't go into her life story and share her info, but I got her those things, which I thought were so cute. I hope she likes them too. And a cute little bags to put their goodies in. We had a little contest at work that I came up with and wanted to give them something special. This is ridiculous, but I had to have this. Hey, Sneebies! 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 You ignore me? I had to have this flamingo. Don't mind the cat fur. I swear we vacuumed recently, but you know, they make a mess. I have to vacuum all the time. But I got this flamingo. Oh my goodness. It will be on the couch with me. And isn't she pretty? Her little wings are glittery. And don't ask me why. You guys, I am obsessed with stuffed animals. It's me and Francine. I think people call them plushies now, or plushes or whatever. But back when I was growing up, it was stuffed animals. So that's what I call them. And isn't she glorious? that's it. Tonight I polled on Twitter, and I think I'll have to check just to be sure because I ran it for 5 hours. So it should be done shortly. And I ran a poll of what video to put up tonight, and I think the Japanese beauty box won out. So I have to edit that. I had the other one edited, but I was like, oh, I have to edit it sometime. And I got off pretty early today. Well, I got off at 4. I was supposed to be 4, and then it was like 4:20, and then I was stuck in traffic. So it's now 5:45 and I just got home. So at any rate, that's what my night is looking like. If I do anything interesting, I'll vlog. I doubt it. I do want to film an Ulta haul, but there's a couple of other things I want to get. A couple things I've already used in videos, but like I just want to haul it all because I got a bunch of stuff. So I will talk to you guys. If not tonight, then I will talk to you tomorrow.
Oh, it's so ugly.
You don't.
I do. I need more light.
Hey guys, we are at TJ Maxx. We just got some Starbucks. They're looking at me. I got a caramel frappuccino, and you got a
Vanilla bean cream.
which is essentially a milkshake.
It's delicious.
So we're about to go in TJ Maxx, and I will try to do some vlogging. It doesn't look like it's too busy, so I'll try to do some secret vlogging in there. So I found a few things. This is a blanket. It's $15. I'm trying not to be too loud. And it has little llamas. I'll save some of it for my haul. This is also really cute. It's called Believe Unicorn Self. And it's cotton candy. It's a shower jelly. So we're gonna test that out and see what we think. I'm just looking at home stuff right now. So many blankets.
So this is Zach. Look how adorable these little sleeping masks are.